On this aircraft, the cabin crew are now pointing out the exits nearest to you. Please be aware that your nearest visible exit may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all your luggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened while the seatbelt signs are on, and we do recommend that you keep them fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull the mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with a strap, pull on each side to adjust. Put your own mask before helping others. In the likely event of needing to use your oxygen mask, your face masks or face covering must be removed before placing on the oxygen mask. If you land on water, take the life jacket from under your seat, remove from the pouch, and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist, and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate inside an aircraft. When outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. And if it fails to inflate or needs stopping up, blow into these two. There's also a light and a whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Your tray tables must be stowed, the armrests down, window blinds open, and seatbelts fastened. We wish you a very pleasant flight with us today.
seatbelt fastened while the seatbelt sign is on, and for your continued comfort and safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Please keep the aisle clear at all times to allow the other customers and crew to pass freely. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin, all of which are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time, and this does include the use of e-cigarettes. When using the toilet facilities today, please ensure that there is no more than 2 people queuing to avoid congestion in the aisle and the galley areas. If you do need to open the overhead locker, please do take care in case anything has moved and could fall out. As a result of the outbreak of COVID-19, the Public Health recommends that everybody should ensure frequent hand washing with soap and water, you cover your nose and mouth when sneezing or coughing, and you avoid touching your face. There are lots of guidance on Public Health Authority websites which they can encourage you to read. This does include details on symptoms and actions to take upon reaching your final destination. Links to these are available through easyjet.com. Face masks or coverings are required to be worn over your nose and mouth for the full duration of today's flight. Unless you are instructed by a crew member in the unlikely event of loss of cabin pressure, they can be removed for a short duration to eat and drink. However, they must be put back on immediately after you are finished, or if you are instructed by the crew. The use of masks are only effective if we all wear them. Therefore, we ask you to wear your mask to protect us and the other customers around you. Please remember that we are all in this together.